Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we'll be studying a topic of chemistry with experimental techniques and analysis. So, firstly, it's important to know that what are pure substances? Often, we regard a pure substance as something which is clean and unpolluted, and an impure substance as its opposite. However, in science, purity is more than just being clean and unpolluted. Polluted seawater is obviously impure, but to a scientist, so is clean, fresh seawater. A pure substance contains only one type of substance, one type of atoms or molecules. Pure water is a pure substance, but seawater also contains dissolved salts as well as other dissolved substances, which are referred to as the impurity. Moving on, what is matter? Any substance which occupies space and has a mass is matter. Now, if we come to the physical quantities, let's talk about mass. Mass is the amount of matter it contains, and the SI unit for mass is kilograms. Other units include grams, milligrams, micrograms, etc. So, 1 kg of 1 kg of mass equals to 1000 gram, and 1 ton equals to 1000 kg. And the instruments we use to measure mass are beam balance and electronic balance. So these are some easy techniques to understand and to make unit conversions easy. To make bigger value to smaller value, we multiply, and to make smaller value to bigger value, we divide. Now, these are 3 questions you need to practice, and make sure to tell their answer in the comment box. Okay, so question number 1 is: a student recorded a mass of 28.36 gram by using triple beam balance. What mistake she has made? You need to tell that. Question number 2: an electronic top pan balance is normally used to weigh solid chemicals. Masses of liquids are rarely measured on a balance. Suggest why a balance would be unsuitable for weighing a sample of an acid. Question number 3. 1 metric ton is 1000 kg. How many grams are in 1.5 metric tons? So, do solve them and do let us know the answers. Moving on. Measuring time. The SI unit to measure times are seconds, and other units include minutes and hours. 1 hour equals to 60 minutes and 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. The instruments we use to measure time include digital stopwatch and analog stopwatch. Now, measuring temperature. The SI unit for temperature is Kelvin, and other units include Celsius and Fahrenheit. The instruments we use to measure temperature includes data loggers. Data logger records the changing temperature of over a period of time. We also use thermometer, which includes alcohol and mercury thermometer, to record temperature. Volume. The volume of a substance is the amount of space it occupies. The SI unit for volume is cubic meters or meter cube. So these are the unit conversions. 1 meter cube equals to 1000 decimeter cube. 1 decimeter cube equals to 1000 centimeter cube, which is 1 liter, and 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. Measuring volume. So there are different apparatuses which we use to measure volume, which includes burette, pipette, volumetric flask, and graduated cylinder. Okay, now what's the difference between the word accurate and approximate? Accurate is an exact or careful conformity to truth, free from error or defect, which is exact. But approximate means approximate is nearly resembling, but not the exact value. Now, these are the pictures from which you can see, which is the firstly is beaker, which is approx, which is not accurate. Conical flask, pipette. Pipette comes in different, it is accurate, but it comes with different sizes, like one can be of 10 centimeter cube, 20, 25. Then it's pipette sucker. Pipette sucker are of 2 types, silicon and plastic. volumetric or measuring flask. They're also accurate and they're available in many different sizes. These are burette. This is a burette, you can see. Volumetric cylinder. Now, this is something very important, how to read the values. This is very important because you have to see where you're putting your eye to see the value. Like other pieces of glassware, the level in the burette is read at the bottom of the meniscus. However, the graduations are upside down compared to the other glass value. Now, which piece of apparatus is used to make 25 centimeter cube of aqueous sodium hydroxide? What do you think? Pipette, burette, beaker, cylinder? I think it is pipette, right? What do you think about it? Moving on, the question is, a student is asked to measure the time taken for 0.4 gram of magnesium carbonate to react completely with 25 centimeter cube of dilute hydrochloric acid. Which apparatus do we need? Firstly, we'll need time, of course, because time taken is important. Then we will need a pipette, stop clock, and a balance. So I think it's A. What do you think? We do not need a thermometer because there is no need to measure the temperature over here. What do you guys think? Then there are some further questions. You can do them. Then, accuracy of apparatus. How accurate they are. Like measuring cylinder measures to the nearest 0.5 centimeter cube. Burette accurately measures at the volume of a liquid to the nearest 0.05 cubic centimeter. Then pipette accurately measures at fixed volumes of liquids like 20 cubic centimeter or 25 cubic centimeter. Volume of gases. A gas syringe is used to measure the volume of a gas. This is a gas syringe. Now, these are some key points to remember. Mass is measured by electronic balance and mass unit is gram or kilogram. Time is measured using a stopwatch and its unit is seconds. Temperature is measured using a thermometer and its unit is degrees Celsius or Kelvin. Then volume is measured for liquids in a burette or a pipette and for gases in a gas syringe. And its unit is cubic centimeter. That's all for today. Let's see this in another video, and here is a recap which you can see. And if you like this video, so please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.